Illuminated letters started life as the capital letter at the beginning of a text. They were always big, they were always decorated. Sometimes the pictures told a story. Sometimes they were just there to look beautiful. As time has gone by, illuminated letters have changed slightly, and they can now have just about anything decorating them. You've already made a book. Now I'm going to show you how to make an illuminated letter to go on the front of your book. Take a piece of cardboard and cut it to the size you want it to be. Make sure the edges are neat. Once you have your piece of cardboard, sketch out the design that you want to have of your illuminated letter. Here I've done a border first. You can use pens, pencils, paint, just about anything to decorate your letter. I'm using pens here. I've started with my border. Once that is complete, I've sketched out the letter I want to have in the middle. I've gone for H, because that's the initial of my surname. Next, I've coloured in my background. I've chosen to use one colour here because I want to put something else over the top of it later on. I've also left my letter blank. Next, I'm going to add detail onto my letter. I begin by filling in the letter itself carefully. I've used a silver pen here and done the big strokes first, then added in the detail afterwards. Next, I'm going to add in some illumination. I've chosen to use leaves because when I was drawing this, I was looking out over the garden. And to finish it off, some berries. You now have an illuminated letter, and you can stick it to the front of your very own book.